Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove welcome to Instagram page, and here's how it is done. The first step is to open your Instagram app. Once you are on the home page, look for the different icons at the bottom and tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap the three horizontal bars in the top right corner. Then select settings and privacy. Scroll down until you find the logout option and click on it. Logging out of your account may resolve the issue. If that doesn't work, head over to your device settings app, scroll down and select General, then tap on iPhone storage or storage on Android. Locate the Instagram app, open it, and select Offload app. This will clear the app's cache. After that, you can reinstall the app. For another solution, open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If an update option appears, click on it to update your app to the latest version. After uploading, check to see if the issue is resolved. If none of these solutions work, you can try uninstalling the Instagram app and then reinstalling it. And that is everything you need to know about how to remove welcome to Instagram page. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.